In this video, you will learn how to start page numbering from a specific page in Microsoft Word. First things first, open your Word document and navigate to the page where you want your numbering to begin. For this example, let's say we want to start numbering from the third page. Place your cursor at the very start of page. Now, head over to the top menu and click on Layout. Next, look for breaks in the Layout menu. From here, select Next Page under Section Breaks. This action creates a new section starting from your chosen page. Now that we have our section break in place, it's time to insert our page numbers. Click on Insert in the top menu. Then navigate over to Header and Footer. Here, select Page Number. You'll see several options for placing your numbers. Choose either top of page or bottom of page. For this example, let's go with bottom of page and select plain number 1. At this point, you'll notice that our third page number appears as 3. So, we need some adjustments because we want it specifically numbered as 1 while continuing sequentially from there. To do this, still within Header and Footer tools, locate an option called Link to Previous. You don't want this link to previous section since that would carry over any existing numbers. So click on Link to Previous and disable it. Next up is formatting those numbers. With still in Header and Footer tools selected, click on Page Number, then choose Format Page Numbers. In the dialog box that appears, find Start At, type in 1, and hit OK. This sets your third page as number 1. Now that we've configured our numbering correctly, page 3 is now labeled as 1 followed by 2, 3, and so forth. You might notice any prior pages still show their original numbers if they were previously numbered. To remove those unwanted numbers, simply click on each previous page number and hit backspace until they disappear completely. This way ensures only your desired pages are numbered correctly without cluttering earlier sections. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to start page numbering from a specific page in Microsoft Word. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.